This isn't a renovation, this is a transformation. This is where modern luxury meets move-in ready perfection. If you've been looking for a home that's been thoughtfully designed, that's also beautifully upgraded, this is it.
With 6 bedroom and 4 bathroom, almost 9,000 square feet lot located in the most desirable neighborhood of South Slope, Burnaby.
And we can't wait
to give you a tour. The moment you walk in, you're greeted with this floor-to-ceiling windows with an uninterrupted view of this beautiful ravine. The elegant hardwood floors, soaring ceilings, and open concept design create a warm and inviting atmosphere.
The chef-inspired kitchen is designed for style and functionality. Right away, you're gonna notice the two-tone cabinetry. I absolutely love how bright this kitchen really is. You've got a 5-burner gas range. You've got a Miele stainless steel appliance package. You also got these large white quartz countertop that are 4-inch thick, plus this wide undermount sink with an extra sink here for entertaining. You can put drinks in here while you have guests over, and you also have this large window. If you are cooking, you can let out some fresh air overlooking your ravine and backyard. Plus you've got a microwave, Miele steamer and oven. Plus you've got this beautiful Miele fridge. This is what you've been waiting for. As you transition from the kitchen into the dining room area, this is where you're gonna host all your gatherings, dinner parties, and this opens up into your back deck and backyard, which is your backyard oasis. This home is truly perfect for entertaining.
With 6 spacious bedrooms, including 2 primary suites, with each spa-like ensuite, this home is perfect for multi-generational living or growing families. Every room is designed to maximize comfort and privacy, with windows that capture stunning ravine views from every angle. Designed for both relaxation and fun, the family and recreation rooms offer plenty of space for movie nights, game days, or casual hangouts. And when the party moves outdoor, this home truly shines. Designed for modern living, this home features a heated EV-ready 2-car garage with a sprawling backyard oasis. This home is an entertainer's dream. Whether you are hosting a summer barbecue by the sparkling pool, unwinding with a glass of wine under the stars, or enjoying a morning coffee surrounded by nature, this space offers endless possibilities.
This home is nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac right between a ravine, Mother Nature, and the city life. This home is located on a 9,000 square foot lot. You've got tons of outdoor space, plus this home is perfect for a growing family.
Within just 7 minutes, you can go to Royal Oak Station and a single bus ride to Metrotown Station. Just within 20 minutes, you can go anywhere, whether Richmond or downtown Vancouver.
If you want to take a look at this beautiful property, feel free to contact either one of us. My name is Denise Mai.
I'm AB Siddiqui.
And we're more than happy to set up a private view with you.